Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the soup series. I think this is soup number 3. Soup number 3, I think. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to be making a Tuscan white bean and sausage soup. Real simple, real easy. It's just a dump and go. I love soup season, y'all, because all you got to do is just dump the stuff in the pot and just go. And just let it just rock out. Anyway, before we get started, y'all, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon. It is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
I gotta say a word, he give me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love
Y'all know I'm pulling Big Mama out to do all my soups, okay? All my soups gonna be done up in this here bad boy. So if you ain't got you one, make sure you get you one. We have sausage. They didn't have it like already grounded up, so I had to just grab some. I already peeled these. I'm gonna show you with this one what I did. I just cut it down the middle, and then you just find the piece up here and just peel it off. I'm gonna add some of this sun-dried tomato, but I'm gonna use some of the oil that's in here. This is a mirepoix. We've been using this whole time, and I just learned the term, y'all. So, celery, carrots, onion mixture. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning. We're gonna cook this between 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna add our meat in. Create a hole or something. Try to let it get a little crust on it. First, I did start chopping it, but then I thought about it like, ooh, let me try to get a little crust on it first. We're gonna add some garlic. And this is chopped up rosemary and thyme. A little bit of garlic, or buttery garlic and herb. A little black pepper. A little bit more salt. You can really smell the aromatics in here now. Now we're going to create another little hole. And add in our tomato paste. Right, we have about 1/2 cup of white wine. Y'all could just use chicken broth if you don't want to use wine. It's perfectly fine for the kids after you cook off the alcohol, so don't worry. Oh, I'm creating another hole for no reason. Just pour that in there. We're going to add in our northern beans. This is about 2 cans. I think they're about 15 ounces. Let me see here. Yeah, 15-ounce cans. Go ahead and add in our broth as well. Chicken broth. I like to use the unsalted one. Right here is where you can pretty much season to taste. Let me go ahead and taste it and see where we at. I think it needs a little bit more salt. I had some leftover broth in the fridge. I'm gonna use this just because I want a little bit more, but you can use water if you don't have any more. It's fine. Wasn't that much anyway. When I say unsalted, I meant to say I like to use the reduced sodium one. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more Italian. I'm gonna add some Parmesan and some bay leaves. Alright, we're going to cover and simmer this for about 20 minutes. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's go see what it's doing. So we're going to remove the bay leaves. I'm looking for them right now. There goes one right there. There you go. Now we're going to add some of these sun-dried tomatoes. As much as you want. Then we're just going to shred a little bit more cheese in there. Now we're going to do about a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And a couple handfuls of spinach. Or kale, whatever you want to use. Alright, so I'm going to let the spinach cook in here for about 5 minutes and then pretty much done. I'm going to do a little squeeze of lemon juice. Probably not this whole thing, just a little bit. I'm going to squeeze it this way so that the seeds don't get in there. Alright, so this is pretty much done. Let me just get closer because I know it's going to spill. Add some red pepper flakes. Alright, so this is how it came out, y'all. Very flavorful, even though I didn't use a lot of seasonings. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.